This is the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6 Play, and we will try now to connect this to the Xiaomi Earbuds app. So let's open the case. Now let's take away the buds and let's ready our phones. And we will be now shifting to the screen capture or to the screen of my phone. So as you are now on the screen, download the Xiaomi Earbuds app on your app store and then we install that. So as it is being installed, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, as the app now opens, it will be giving you this info, of course, the agreements right there. And of course, here comes that it allows us to detect Bluetooth devices. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the Redmi Buds 6 Play to our phone and then have the app discover it. So as it is being discovered right there, Redmi Buds 6 Play. And let's look at the features. Now there's the settings. Now we have here the gestures. So you can customize the gestures on what tapping the left earphone or the right earphone does. So if you tap the left earphones, what are gonna do? Okay, we're gonna try that it's gonna be doing the play and pause, and then tap right earphone. What I'm gonna do? I think let's try the next song and then the double tap. What does the double tap do on the left? Let's try that one, and I think it's gonna go volume up and then the double tap right. Of course, let's go volume down, triple left earphone tap. So next song, and then all of those are now customizable, so you can customize to your needs. So that's the gestures tap. And then we have here the audio effects part, in which you can now have choices. So here is what we've seen, that there are 5 or 6 choices. So the standard, enhanced bass, enhanced treble, and all of those. Of course, additional settings, low latency, if this is the gaming mode of the earbuds. And also we have this feature that you can rename this. So let's try renaming ours Right Tech and then Redmi Buds 6 Play. Just trying this out, and it's okay. Now let's do that. And of course, other settings on the app. So find earphones, about device. Now this is basically what you need to maximize the use of the earbuds. So this app is very helpful. So about earphones, FAQs, and all of those things. Now this is now the Xiaomi Earbuds app. So after that, let's put it back. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think and what are the features that you love about these earbuds and other else. This is Rai. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one. Bye guys.